Hey, what's up, guys? It is February 6th, and wanted to come to you guys with our market update for the Temecula Valley and surrounding areas. I always take one market, Temecula, in order to give us a good understanding of what's happening in our market. Essentially, what I just pulled up is we have about 300, just over 300 properties currently on the market or pending. Of those 312 properties, we currently have about 140 of those pending, and then the remaining roughly 180 on the market in active or coming soon status. So it just goes to show almost, not quite half, but pretty dang close to half of the homes that are on the market are pending, which basically just shows that we only have 1 to 2 months worth of inventory, and that means that inventory is low, it is tight. As we were talking about last week and previous week, since January, activity has picked up, things are moving pretty well. We're seeing prices, a lot more properties hitting list price. Whereas before January, we were seeing only like 10 to 20% hit list price, and most of the properties going below list price. So it's a good sign that things have heated up a little bit. Not to say that we're going to see things appreciate. It is a possibility here in the near future. It really just depends on how activity continues and how demand continues to be over the next month or two. We'll keep a close eye on that. Interest rates are a big factor. Interest rates have continued to come down a little bit. They're somewhat volatile. They go up and down, but they're still down a little bit. We'll see if interest rates continue to improve. I do expect that if that does continue to happen, that we'll see more and more people come out of the woodworks in order to purchase property, which will be a positive for the people that are thinking of selling their home. Basically, it will just help sustain prices, and prices may start just balancing off and potentially even going up a little bit. So that's basically what's going on in the market currently. If you're looking to sell, it's a solid time to sell. We're still at highs. Of course, we did drop between May and December of last year by about 15%. But keep in mind, guys, from January to May, we appreciated roughly 15%. So year over year, from beginning of 2022 to the end, it almost was a break even. Depends on each market. To a certain extent, each neighborhood, but that's basically what we saw. Still a solid market, pretty good. Inventory is tight, as we mentioned, and demand has increased since January. So anyway, that's my quick update, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Would love to sit down and have a strategy session and figure out what we could do to help you either buy, sell, or buy your next investment property or first investment property. We love helping our clients create wealth. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Talk to you soon.